Hello everyone, here is Ms Noura. I missed you all. Today we'll learn about something new. I just bring my pointer here. Okay, today we're gonna talk about something new. It's a partition, a rectangle. So in this lesson you have to bring your ruler to draw lines with me. Here is lesson 6. At the Tuesday, we'll discuss the pages 487, 489, and homeworks. It will be pages 201 and 202. Let's start. Okay, for objectives here, you have to learn how to divide a rectangle into equal squares. So when you finish this lesson, you know how I will draw equal squares for a rectangle. Our essential and important question here, how can you partition a rectangle into equal squares? A rectangle can be partitioned into equal squares by dividing it into columns and rows. We will see what the meaning of columns and rows. So you have to say with me, rows, rows. Here's a plural, so row, and columns, columns. It's a column. So let's see now. If I have this lovely rectangle, I want to partition this rectangle into sections. Partition means is to separate something into section or divide something into section. How do that? Look here. I want to partition this by drawing column. What the meaning of column? Column means something goes down. So columns go down. Here is the first column, second, and the third. So remember, the column comes from your head until your feet. Columns up and down, columns up and down, columns up and down, up and down. Yes, maybe you can jump now and you say that columns up and down, columns up and down. Let's see the next. The other friend is a row. The row is side to side. Remember when I shake my wrist side to side? يلا stand up and shake your wrist side to side. It's a row side to side. It's a row up and down. It's a column up and down. It's a column side to side. It's a row. Let's see now. So if I want to partition this rectangle into 3 rows and 2 columns, 3 rows, that means I have to go side to side. So to make 3 rows, that means I have to draw 2 horizontal lines. 1, 2, and now I have 1, 2, 3 rows. 3 rows. If I want to make 2 columns, that means I have to go up and down. To make 2 columns, that means I have to draw 1 vertical line. This is a line. So to make it clear, there is a rule, which is the rule is the number of lines that you will draw is the number of columns or row minus 1. Teacher, what did you mean? Let's go back to our lovely rectangle. Where are you? I bring my pen to understand more. So if I want to partition this rectangle into, for example, 5 rows, let's make it row. Okay. And 3 Co. Yes, I have to bring the number of the row minus 1. So 5 minus 1, it's 4. So I have to draw 4 lines side to side. Here is the first line. Wait, I make it clearly. I want to erase. Oh, come on, go back. Okay, let's erase now. Okay. So I have to make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I count how many rows I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rule said that the number of rows minus 1. How about the columns? Is 3. So the rule said 3 minus 1, it would be 2 lines up and down. Here is the first line. Here is the second line. So now I partition my lovely rectangle into equal, for example, square or rectangles. I don't know. I know they are not equal, but I'm trying my best with my finger. You have to do it exactly with your ruler. So here is the rule: is the number of lines that you draw is number of rows or the number of the column minus 1. Let's go directly to your book to draw together. Here is the question said, partition the following rectangle, then write how many squares are in all. Remember the rule is minus 1, row minus 1, column minus 1, row minus 1, column minus 1. Here is, let's do it. So after here they did it for you, I have just to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Here is, I have to make it with my ruler, but before doing that, I have to minus 1. Teacher, please don't, some of you make mistakes. They say the 3 rows. Okay, teacher, say 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Teacher, this is not 3 rows. Can you count in between? Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's wrong. Bring the eraser. My God, it's wrong. So the teacher said it's the number of rows minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So I will make 1 line, 2 lines. Here is 2 columns means only 1 line. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And I count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Here is, I have 1 row. How many lines? 1 minus 1, 0 lines. And 3 minus 1, 2 lines. So 2 rows side to side, 1 row, sorry, side to side. Here is it. And 3 columns, I draw 2 lines. Here is 1, 2. So how many squares I have? 1, 2, 3. Here, I have 2 rows. That means is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. I will draw the row, 1 line, and I draw a column, 1 line. So how many square I have? 4. Perfect. Draw it again. Okay. Here I have 6 rows. That means 5 lines. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 3 columns. That means 2. So let's draw. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and 2. Here is 1. Sorry, 4. They are not equal, so you have to draw it nicely in your book. Here is 2. Let's count again. Teacher, let's make an easy way to count these squares without counting all of them by using multiplication. I know that you hate multiplication, but it makes us smarter. Let's see here. Let's see the first row. It's 1, 2, 3. Here is I have 3. And here is, let's see how many I have. 1. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Remember, 4 double plus 1. Double of 6 is 12, plus 1 a group. Yes, yes, 12 plus 6. Perfect, it's 18. Now here I have 4 rows. 4 minus 1 is 3 lines. 4 rows up side to side. This is 1, 2, 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 lines for columns. How many squares I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Oh my God. See, here is this equation. Match each partitioned rectangle with the correct number of squares. Can you believe that you want to count all of these? No, I have to use my mind and be smarter with multiplication. Let's see. Teacher told me I have to count the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it is also this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 times 8, 8 times 7, it's the same. Remember the strategy for 8? Double, double, double. What the double of 7? 14. What the double of 14? 28. What the double for 28? 56. Perfect. It is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here is 1, 2. Double of 9. Amazing. It's 18. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 times 4. Number times 10. Drop 0 in the end. 40. Perfect. Now here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, what's happening? Yes, here is 5. Remember strategy of 5. Skip by 5. Let's open 5 finger. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes, teacher, it's the last answer. For sure, it's 25. Why are you skipping by 5? Also this one. If you have a free time, you can count all of these tiny squares, but I don't have. Let's make it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 10. Another times 10. Drop 0 at the end. Yes, 70. Let's make here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Here is 10. Here is 3. A number times 10. Drop 0 at the end. Perfect. Play. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6. Let's call the strategy for 6. Call 5, skip by 5, open 6 finger and skip by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 plus 1 group, 30 plus 6, 36. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 times 4, or 4 times 7. Double double of 7 with a double 7. 14 with a double 14. 28. Perfect. Here is partition each rectangle. Here is I have 2 rows. Remember, the rule said number of rows, number of column minus 1. Number of rows, number of column minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Let's draw the lines now. 4 rows side to side, only 1 line. 4 columns, I have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squares I have? It's 2 times 5. Double of 5. Perfect. 10. It is before doing this, I want to continue my lovely rectangle, and let's partition now. So 4 rows, 3 lines, 3 columns, 2 lines. Let's draw side to side lines. Here is 1, 2. Make it, teacher. You are like drawing like a KG. 1 minute. Let's erase it. Okay. I'll bring you the pen, and teacher, please draw it nicely. I'll try my best. Here is 3. Okay, this is 1. This is 2, and this is 3. Perfect. And I want to draw 2 upside down lines. 1, 2. So how many squares? It's number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. 4 times 3 is the strategy of 4. Double, double. Double of 3 is 6. Double of 6 is 12. Perfect. It's a time for problem solving. You have to read the problem solving loudly with me. Lisa was drawing a rectangle with 4 rows and 3 columns. Draw Lisa's rectangle. How many squares are in her rectangles? They drew for you already. Here is the rectangle, but your job is to find this number of squares. So the teacher told me it's 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4. Double of 3 is 6. Double of 6 is 12. Perfect. Now, read loudly with me. Jeff used 16 square tiles to cover this rectangle. Draw one way that Jeff could have partitioned the rectangle. Also, they drew for us, but let's find another way. Here is the idea that they make it 4 columns with 4 rows, because 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. So tell me another number. If you multiply it together, it will be 16. Let's go, for example, yes, the double of 8 is 16. So I will make my rectangle. My God. Drawing like a KG. Okay. Here is the rectangle, slowly, Ms Noura. This is one. A very nice rectangle. Okay, so the teacher told me that it's 16 equal that it's double of 8. It's 8 times 2. So for 2 rows, I have to make 1 line. And for 8, I have to draw 7 lines. 1, sorry. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do I find my answers right? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, the answer is 16. Perfect. Here is you check your vocabulary. Column, row, column, up and down, row, side to side, column, up and down, row, side to side. Yes, you can make it like you remember how we sing las las. Yes, las las. Yes, checka checka, checka checka. Say with me. Column up and down. Yeah, jump up and down. Column up and down. Row side to side. Yeah, check with your wrist. Row side to side. Column up and down this one. Row side to side this one. Now let's go to the next. We've done from your textbook, and this is a review about your homework. So teacher, can you see how many squares you have to count? Be smart, teacher, be smart and use your multiplication. Here is also you have to count how many squares for each rectangle that we partitioned already and write the number here in the blanks. So please, teacher, try to call multiplication to make you smarter. Here is also match the rectangles of equal numbers of squares. For example, let's see, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Double of 9, I have 18. Which rectangle with 18 squares? I can see maybe it's this. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 up. 1, 2, 3, and 3 rows. Yeah, 6 times 3, 6 times 3. Perfect, it's 18. So these are with the same number of squares. Also, you have to count which one is the same number of other one. Here is you have to bring your ruler and partition. This is a rectangle into 3 rows and 4 columns. Remember the rule: number of lines, row, column minus 1. Row, column minus 1. After you partition, you have to remember and tell me the number of squares. Here you have also to partition these 2 rectangles. Here is we have 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 1 line up and down and 2 lines side to side. Here is 5 rows and 3 columns. So it's 5 minus 1 is 4 lines and 3 minus 1 is 2 lines. Yes, finally we finished our lesson. You have to focus about the vocabulary. Row and column. Row is up, side to side, and column is up and down. You have to use your ruler and partition your rectangle equally using the ruler, and you have to get equal squares. That's for today. Hope you're doing well. See you later. And I love grade 2A. Here is 2A, girls. And I know that all of you love the unicorn. So this is your unicorn. I know I am the best artist here. So that's for you 2A, girls. See you later. Bye bye.